Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the desktop Windows XEML source and basically a UWP component allowing your developers to host XAML content within traditional Win32 desktop applications. If you see this empty window on your taskbar, it indicates there was an error while initializing or rendering the XEML content. Clicking on the window will open a blank virtual window and closing it will terminate the OneDrive app. And paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu and then type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung apps. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang na installed apps. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa installed apps, and then dito lang sa search apps, ay kailangan mo lang i-search yung OneDrive. So type mo lang siya. And then automatic mga kaibigan na mag-pop up dito. Okay? So OneDrive Microsoft Corporations. And then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay i-click mo lang itong advanced options. And then dito sa advanced options, ang next step ay scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset. So next, if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair. And then wait natin na ma-complete. Okay, so makikita mo dito na repair complete. And then next step, if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan natin itong reset. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset. And then pop up ito. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. Okay, so including your preferences and sign-in data. And then next, click mo lang itong reset. And then wait natin na ma-complete. And so makikita mo dito na na-complete na yung reset in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa settings and then i-click mo lang itong system. And then dito sa right side, I scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung multitasking. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa multitasking, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung desktop. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo itong arrow na yan and then i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, yung tinakauna lang na on the taskbar will all open windows. And then dito sa right side, ay kailangan natin yan i-change. So may dalawang options dito na on all desktop and only on the desktop I'm using. So kailangan lang natin i-select ito, only on the desktop I'm using. Okay? So once na-select mo na yan, and then close lang natin itong settings. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So, in all is more later lahat. And then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then, press mo lang enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So since complete na tong CMD and then next step. So close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang itong restart. Okay, so kailangan lang natin na mag-restart ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove the empty desktop window XEML source window on the Windows taskbar. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.